Writing a really good YouTube title takes time. Now, you can use AI to generate a list of titles, but how effective are those titles? Does it cross-reference and check the AM Institute's website to analyze that title? Now, if you're serious about YouTube, if you're serious about growing your channel and serious about CTR, which is click-through rate, having a good title really makes the difference. Yes, thumbnails are right up there, but a title will make or break your video. So today I'm going to show you how I use Perplexity Labs to automate the process of testing the title that I have in mind and then giving me different title options based off of what ranks higher on the Advanced Marketing Institute's website. So without squirrel ado, let's get into it. Why titles matter. Now, CTR is the #1 growth level, click-through rate. A weak title, it's kind of like a wasted video. Yes, as I mentioned before, a thumbnail plays a huge role, but thumbnails and titles go hand in hand, and you should generally have those created and drafted before you even script or film the video. Let's dig into my space. Let's not waste any time here. I've created this title analyzer space on Perplexity. Now, you could, in theory, use any LLM that offers a project's kind of directory that you can add instructions and links to. I'm sure GPT would work great for this, but I already use GPT to generate title ideas, YouTube descriptions, scripts, and all this. But I found that Perplexity, I just like how it works better, and I do use Perplexity Labs, so in order to accomplish this, you will need to sign up. I'll put a referral link in the bio if you want to help out the channel. That would be great. I don't get a kickback. This is not sponsored. I do love Perplexity Labs for this particular use case. So my instructions are as followed. Cross-reference the YouTube title I paste into this prompt with the link provided, and then I link. Return with its score, and then suggestions of titles that score above 50%. Run the test of your suggestions and report back with the exact percent from each title. Okay, very simple, very straightforward. Now, I'm going to use today's title that I currently have in place for this video that you're watching and see. Oh, you know, one thing I forgot to do there is I always like hitting labs. Because if you don't hit labs and the equivalent on ChatGPT is the agent mode, it won't actually go to the website, paste in your prompt, give you the percent, and then also start thinking of new variations based on the subject of the title that you provided. Now, this will take some time to generate here. And just some notes while we're waiting for this to generate. You know, I found I don't just copy paste the first result or even the highest percent that it gives me. The purpose of this is while I'm working on a video, while I'm working on a script, I can paste in the draft title that I have, continue working on something else. Now, once we get back to the results, sometimes it gives me a great title that I love and I just paste in and that's my title. However, it's meant to turn, you know, the whole purpose of this for me is not only automation, but ideation. It gives me ideas of new variations of a title that I can work on. And in the past, since I've started using this space, since I've configured this space rather, I will come up with an idea on the spot as I'm reading through its, you know, different suggestions and different scans, and I'll type in my new idea and it generally ranks even higher. So don't just copy paste what it gives you. You can, and if that's how you want to approach this, that's great. There's nothing wrong with that, but use it for ideas. Use it to generate new ideas. And I guarantee you, you will fall in love with this automation because it's a time saver. It's like your own title analyzer brain in your kind of workflow, and you can continue working on the script or anything else or the next video for that matter. So it is an invaluable tool. And yeah, right now we're just waiting for this to go. And as you can see, the labs or agent mode, they do take time because it's actually scanning and it's showing us in real time what it's doing. So our initial scan was 37.5%. Now, based off of my research from a lot of these YouTube experts, especially Patty Galloway, is you want a title 40% and up. So we're on that mark, and look, its next kind of suggestion, 22%. Not that good. Oh, revolutionary AI tool creates viral YouTube titles instantly. 62.5%. Interesting. So now what I would do here is I've been noticing copy now in parentheses at the end of a video title does very well right now. So I'm going to manually go in while that's doing work, copy me. 80%. So you see how adding your own little variation of a result can even increase. Now, I don't know if it's revolutionary. So I want to kind of get more specific with the niche. Copy me. Perplexity Labs AI tool creates. Okay, I like this a little bit better because it's niched down for Perplexity, but also niched down to anybody looking for YouTube titles. Let's submit for analysis. Okay, 63%, not the best. I just don't know how I feel about revolutionary. I think I'm going to go with this. Now, if you have a YouTube Partner Program account and you're already kind of generating revenue off of YouTube, you should have ABC testing available for your titles. I don't yet on this channel, so I can't copy paste a couple of these titles and have YouTube run over the next 2 weeks like it does with the thumbnail A/B testing. As soon as I have that available, then yes, I will, for example, grab this 62% that I turned into an 80% by adding copy me. That would be one of my options. This other one would be my other option. Probably my original title would be my third option, just out of curiosity to see how it performs. So, and you see it's working. Now, if we wanted to specify in our instructions, we can say generate no more than 3 suggestions. This one's going. I mean, it's given us our result from our original 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 so far. I feel like it might generate 10 titles for us, and I didn't even ask it to. So if you don't want it to take up as much time, specify how many options or suggestions you'd like to see. But I guarantee you, you will love this workflow for automation. I found it to be a huge time saver and invaluable tool for helping me generate better titles and just come up with new ideas as well, which is just great. It's like having a creative partner in your back pocket. So yeah, I'm most likely going to stick with this for now because this is a video focused on Perplexity Labs. Now, maybe let's do one other variation. AI tool features. No. What about AI tool creates YouTube titles instantly? Copy me. Okay, 66%. Okay. But we know we're above that 40% mark. So any variation of this is going to be great. It's just thinking of the viewer of why would they click. Maybe it's somebody who already has Perplexity who wants to see what else they can do with it, right? You would want to put Perplexity in the title. Shocking AI tool. So very clickbaity kind of verbiage. And I think it would work for some titles, but I don't want to use that verbiage personally. Not for this video, right? I'm shocked that this isn't more effective. Let's just do AI creates YouTube thumbnails that generate millions. So we're simplifying it. Okay. Now, what if this is, I mean, this is super clickbaity, but it's not that good. Let's see what happens when we add copy me to the end. Okay, see, this copy me is a little hack right now. A lot of people just want a copy paste solution. And I personally also, when I'm searching for something on YouTube, if I'm looking for something very, very specific, I generally click on copy me more than anything else. Automates. Okay, not as effective. All right. Now, here's the results. YouTube title analysis report. Original title score, which is great. Multiple alternatives, 2 titles above. I think this was the one we liked the most. And it gives you all of its results. And then key insights. Wonderful. So I'm going to go with copy me. I think I'm going to do workflow instead because many tools can pull this off. So let's do revolutionary AI workflow, creates viral YouTube titles instantly, copy me. I like this. It's not as high of a percent, but let's pull out the word revolutionary AI workflow. Yeah, let's use revolutionary. And that's going to be the new title of this video. Now, as soon as I have title A/B testing available, I will be utilizing it through this automation workflow. And yeah, I hope you found some value in this video. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.